Current Affairs, May 2025. Which type of the blast Balochistan Khuzar district on May 21, 2025? A military convoy attack, a police checkpost attack, a bus carrying student. Basically, bus carrying the student in the morning to May 21, 2025, a blast was done. When did Pakistan test the improved version of Abdali missile? May 3, May 4, May 5. The correct answer 2025, an improved version of Abdali missile was tested successfully. Which type of attack occurred at the PP rally in Quetta, May 14, 2025? Bomb blast, grenade attack, shooting incident. The correct answer attack was occurred May 14, 2025 on PP rally in Quetta. How long has it been since last 5-star rank promotion before General Asim Munir? 4 decade, 5 decade, 6 decade. The correct over 6 decades. The previous this type of promotion was done by General Ayub Khan. Who is the Pakistan climber that recently submitted Mount Kilimanjaro without supplement oxygen? Ali Satpara, Sirbaz Khan, Nirmal Puraj. The correct Sirbaz Khan was successfully climbed the in mountain Kilimanjaro. Which mountain did Sirbaz Khan summit as reported Sunday, May 18, 2025? The mountain. And where was it? It is located in. What is the elevation of Mount Kilimanjaro? Basically, elevation is 86 meters. Elevation 8,586 meters. Mount Kilimanjaro is geographically located in Pakistan, India, Nepal, China. The correct answer. It is famous mountain located in Nepal. Mohammad Ishaq Dar is currently serving Pakistan as May 2025 Prime Minister and Defence Minister, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Finance Minister and Interior Minister, Chief Justice and Law Minister. The correct answer Mohammad Ishaq Dar was working as Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister. What are the Mohammad Ishaq Dar's primary profession? Doctor, engineer, accountant, teacher. The correct answer basically his primary profession is accountant and politician.